Does the QUOTEX allow to withdraw money? Okay, you asked me lots of questions about this thing. If QUOTEX allows to withdraw money, is it real or the big amount will be just not allowed to withdraw by simply blocking the account for far-fetched reasons? Okay, right now I will try to trade to overclock my deposit. I will have only $100 on my balance, and in the end I will try to withdraw my money, and you will learn, you will find out if I can do this or my balance or my account will be just blocked. But actually I already know the answer in advance. And also, before we start, subscribe to the channel and put your like, and also check the link under this video, because there you will find my personal Telegram chat, and there post trading signals with very big profitability. Thanks to these signals you will have the chance to use them and make money, close your profitable trades. And if you want to get into this Telegram chat, just write to me the code word private and I will add you there. So guys, let's start this thing. Well guys, today I will try to overclock my deposit and start with only $100. So I will trade on support resistance levels, an uptrend, downtrend, and the other situations and patterns on the market. Well, and also I will use the 15 seconds time frame and will be opening my transactions from 1 to 3 minutes. So guys, watch this video to the end, because of course you will learn more situations, and also if everything goes well, we will make an application for withdrawal of funds. Well, let's start and consider the first situation, the market. So here you can see the support level, and also there was a good confident downtrend. The price touched this level, and then bounced up. So, and this pullback up is an excellent point to open a trade where down. So let's do it for 2 minutes only. I think that in the near future the price will be moving towards this level, because the price has very excellent potential for a decrease and the downtrend is in the progress. Well, the main price highs are getting lower, and this is kind of sticking to the level. Well, I think that 2 minutes will be enough in this situation, even the small flat happens. Well, let's check it. Well guys, this is very interesting. The price moved down to the support level, and here we have got the profit. So it is a very good start, but that's why let's continue. So guys, I rewound the chat to the left for 1 hour ago, and I can set the level due to the lower values of these candlesticks. Then I'm returning to the beginning of this chat, and here you can see there was a very good downtrend, and right now the price approached this level with very confident red candlesticks and stopped near this. Well, in this situation I will open a trade for 1 minute only with up. I think that the next there will be that retracement movement and the slight rollback upwards, because as in most cases when the price approaches level for the first time for a long time, there must be the retracement movement, and especially when this movement is quite strong. So guys, let's check what can happen here. Well guys, that's very good. So there was a roll back up, and here we have got the profit again. Well, let's continue and find another situation. So guys, here you can notice that there has been a very good upward movement. The price touched the resistance level, then bounced down. So, and after the small flat, the price moved up, and right now it is sticking to this level. Well, I think that in the near future this level will be broken through. That's why I will open a trade for 2 minutes with up, because in general the price has very good potential for an increase, and 2 minutes is with a reserve, and I will also take into account the small flat. Well, let's check it. So guys, it's very interesting. As you can see, the price has really broken this level through and then gone up. So here we have got the profit. Very excellent. Well, the price has very good potential for an increase. So let's continue and find another situation. So this is the level of support, and also you can see that this is a very good and confident downtrend, and also there is still a place to the support level. Well, in this situation I will open a trade for 2 minutes with down, because I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards this level, because this is a very good potential for a decrease, and the main price highs are getting lower here. So this time it's also with a reserve, because I'm taking into account the small flat or the small rollback upwards, but then I'm sure the movement down will continue. Well, that's amazing. As you can see, after the small flat and roll back up, the down movement continued and we have got the profit here. So 2 minutes were enough for this rotation. So, and also the price is already starting to break this level through. So, but I think let's find another rotation. So here you can see the support level, and also after the downtrend the price touched this level, then bounced up, and now the price is again approaching this level. So here I will open a trade for 2 minutes with down, because I think that the price will continue to move down, and also perhaps this level will be broken through, because this is a very good potential for a decrease. So guys, let's check what can happen here. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, the movement down continued and this level was broken through, so that's why we got the very brilliant profit. Well, let's continue and consider the next situation. Well guys, here you can notice the support level, and also after touching the level the price bounced up, and now from the downtrend line the price again moves down, and also the general price trend is going down and the price highs are getting lower. So in this situation I will open a trade for 3 minutes with the reserve for down movement. I think that the price will be moving towards this level, and also I will put this time with the reserve because there can be the small flat, and that's why we chose it. Well guys, the price slowed down a little, then got to the flat zone, but the movement down continued and we got the profit here. So let's find the next entry point. So here you can see the support level, and also there was a very confident downward movement one way. So the price touched this level, then bounced up, and now the price is again approaching this level and is sticking to it. Well, let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down, because I think that very soon the price will be moving down, then break this level through, because this is a very good potential for a decrease. I can see that, and also this time 2 minutes with the reserve, because there can be the small flat here. Well, that's very good. So you see the price broke through this level, then went down very confidently, and this is a very good profit. So 2 minutes were enough and we can continue. So here you can notice the support level, and also there was a very confident downward movement. The price touched this level, then bounced up, and now after this bounce the price is again moving down. That's why in this situation I will open a trade with down for 2 minutes, because I think that very soon the price will be moving down, because this is a very good potential for a decrease and the price highs are becoming lower. So, and also this time is with the reserve, because there can be the small flat here. Well, that's very interesting. The price continued its movement down to the support level, then we got the profit here. So 2 minutes were enough for this situation again. By the way, my deposit now is almost $6,000. It is very good result, but I will find the last trade and work it out and close it profitable. So the price approached this level and is starting to break it through with very impulsive red candlestick. That's why let's open the next trade here, because I think after the impulsive breakthrough there will be the retracement moment and the slight pull back upwards. That's why let's open a trade for 1 minute only with up. I think that in this situation, this time will be enough. Well, let's check what can happen here. Well, it's very good. So the retracement moment really happened and we have got the profit here. So 1 minute was enough, and we have now almost $9,000 on the deposit. Well, let's finish here. This is a very brilliant sum. I love it. Everything is very successful today. That's why let's make an application for withdrawal of funds. Well, here I will click this button in the upper right corner, and after that we will get to the menu withdrawing of funds. Here in the upper column I will indicate the amount that I want to withdraw. Here I will indicate the almost $9,000. So here in the lower column there are my personal data. Of course I will hide it from you, you understand. way. Then I click this button to confirm. Well, yes, it's very good. So this application has been accepted for work and this amount will be debited from my deposit. So after this sum is withdrawn, the amount on my deposit will remain only $10, and maybe next time we will overclock the deposit starting with this deposit $10. And now you can see that we could make an application for withdrawal of funds and everything is successful. So there are no any problems with withdrawal of funds on QUOTEX. You can easily do that. So trade with no problem, trade successfully and withdraw your money. Because the practice is the most important thing to get the brilliant results, to develop yourself and to achieve the brilliant profits. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and put your like, and also you can write in the comments what you want to see in the next episodes. Maybe you have some questions about this video, about the withdrawal, everything. And also check the link under this video. This is my Telegram chat. It is private, and if you want to get to there, you just need to write me the code word private and I will add you there. You will get this access to trading signals, to this information, and it will help you in your trading, I'm sure. So guys, I'll see you next time.